Stay tuned to see how I etched glass on these drinking bottles. So I'm using these reusable stencils that I got from Michael's craft store. And the thing I like about these is that you can use them multiple times without the backing losing its adhesiveness. So I'm going to start by positioning my glass over this paper towel, because you do want to put something down on the surface that you're working on, just in case any of the etching cream falls onto the surface that you're working on, and you just want to protect your area. You do also want to make sure you have gloves on hand, because you'll need them. I had put my gloves on but realized didn't need them for that part. So I just went ahead and applied my first set of stencils to spell out "Drink Me." The second stencil I'm using is a rose with a couple other smaller little flower and decorative stencils. Now this is your glass etching cream, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of a dusty gray brown color, and you can definitely put on gloves during this part, but I am going to be super careful, so I will be using my gloves in the next step. And all you're going to do is use your paintbrush to apply the etching cream all over the areas that you will want etched. Do not apply the cream anywhere that you do not want your glass etched, because it will make that difference. So make sure you stay within the lines of the stencil and apply a generous yet even coat of the etching cream all over. This is what it should look like once you've applied all of the etching cream. And as you see, I did leave it on for longer than recommended. I had practiced a couple of times before, and I wanted to make sure it came out completely etched. Once my timer went off, letting me know that it's been 25 minutes, I put my glove on and go to the sink to rinse off the etching cream. Please make sure that you put on gloves during this process, because you don't want the cream to irritate your hand. And when I am rubbing the cream off, I feel little granules, which I'm assuming is glass that's kind of broken down to create the etching. So safety first, put on your gloves while doing this step, please. And you'll just rub all of the etching cream off until there is just the stencil left. You'll dry your bottles, remove the stencils, and here are what the glasses will look like once they are completely dry and these stencils are removed. I really love how these came out. I was honestly a little skeptical. I had watched a couple of videos on YouTube, and the cream that other people had used was actually a white cream, so I was a little skeptical with this. But once I had practiced on a couple of bottles, I was like, okay, it looks like it might work. So that's why I adjusted the time, just so I could make sure that it would show up clearly. And they look so cute, you guys. I can't wait to try out a few more different stencils on some different glasses and see what I can come up with. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. You guys, this was my first time etching glass, and I am so happy it turned out as well as it did. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what different stencils I should try, if there's some stencils that you have seen in any of the craft stores or on Amazon that I should get. And I also saw that there's a way to actually color the glass that you etch. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you want me to try that out as well. Again, I just want to say thank you for rocking with me. All of my DIY clubbers, the originals and the new. We are well over 100, and I want to keep us growing. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right. I love you guys. Bye.